Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be filming a Thanksgiving makeup eyeshadow look. Hopefully this video will give you guys some ideas on what to do for Thanksgiving for your eye makeup. I know it's a little bit different from Thanksgiving this year. Some people are doing small gatherings or not at all, but it's still nice to have your makeup done even if you're just staying at home or if you're having a small gathering. I think it's still fun to play with makeup. I hope everybody is staying safe and is going to have a good Thanksgiving and enjoy the holidays. Remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel and just click that notification bell just to see when I upload. All right, let's get into the video, guys. So the star of the show is going to be the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I've had this for a little bit, so it kind of looks dirty, but I'll show you guys the colors that are in it. I think it's perfect for Thanksgiving. This is like an all year round palette for me. I can use this all year. So I'm going to show you guys a makeup look with this, and I'll most likely be wearing this on Thanksgiving. I'm going to start off with a Real Techniques blending brush. So that's what I'm going to use. And I'm actually going to go in with this orange soda color. I think that looks like a fun color to use, so we're going to just use that to start off the look. This palette is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I just dunk it in and tap it off to get all the excess, and I'm just going to put that right into my crease. And this is such a pretty color for Thanksgiving. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to bring it down onto my lid. I'll be covering it up anyways, but I just want to make sure it's blended. And then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to take that under my eye as well, so everything looks put together and the same on the top and the bottom. So that's what I'm starting off with so far. And then using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange, which is right below it. And I'm just going to put that a little bit lower than the orange soda and blend that into my crease. And then again, bring the excess amount under my eye. So that's what we're looking like so far. Then I'm going to use the Japanesque brush. I think it's a small blending brush. It doesn't have a number, but it has a little bit of an angle to it. So I'm going to use that to really get in on the outer corner, and I'm going to take Rustic, which is this really pretty brown shade over here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. So I'm going to dip into that and just kind of define the outer corner with this color. I'm going to add a little more. And I'm just creating a V shape on the outer corner. And then I'm going to drag that under my eye and then do the same thing on the other eye. Just intensified it a little bit more. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. And remember, you do the V. And then you can kind of just blend it in after that. And then I'm going to drag it under. So I'm going to use this color over here. I believe it's called Bronze. I want a glittery shimmer color. I think it does have glitter in it, but it's shimmer as well. We'll see how it comes off. Yeah, it does have glitter in it. So it's kind of like a shimmery glitter gold color. So I'm going to take that, and I'm just using my finger for this. So I'm going to go right in with my finger. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on my eyelid. And that looks really pretty. I really like this shade. This is a very pretty eyeshadow. So as you can see, that's what it's looking like with the yellowy color. And then I'm going to go in with Glistening, which is this color right here. And I'm going to place that on my inner corner. And I'm just going to use my fingers because I feel like it gives the most pigments. And then I'm going to take some and put it under my brow bone the highest point just to highlight that. So that's what it's looking like. Then I'm just going to take a blending brush and kind of blend the crease color just to make sure nothing looks too crazy. Then I'm going to take the orange soda color because I lost some of that color while blending. And I'm going to go back in throughout the crease, but I'm going to stay a little higher because I want it to peek through on the top. Just so I still have that color in this look. It's kind of simple, not too crazy. I'm not going to do eyeliner. I might do that on Thanksgiving, but for today, I'm not going to do that for this look. So I just a winged eyeliner. I might. I'm not positive. But I'll go in with mascara now. So the two that I'm using, you guys saw this in my video, the Lash Princess by Essence and then NARS Climax Extreme. So I'm going to go in with both of those. I'm going to use the Essence first and just do one layer. And then I'm going to go in with the NARS Climax over top of that. So we got the mascara on, and that's what it's looking like. Nothing too crazy. I still want the eye look to show. Lipstick I'm going to use first is a lip liner. This is the NYX Retractable Lip Liner, and the color is Nude Pink. So I'm going to go in with the lip liner. I really like this color, so I'm going to fill in my lips with this color. So I just kind of filled in my lips with that color. And then I'm going to go in with the Becca, it's the Chrissy collab. Of course it wore off, so I'm sorry, I don't know the color. I think it might be Red Velvet, but this is what the color looks like. I think it's a perfect nudie-ish Thanksgiving color. It's like a dark nude. I think it's really nice, nude pink. So I'm gonna go over that. So that's what the lips are looking like. I think that's a really pretty Thanksgiving collection. I hope that both of these are still available. If they're not, I would just get similar colors to these. I'm gonna sit back a little bit and look and see if I want to add more colors, because I think I might. I'm actually going to add more of the crease color and deepen up the crease, but I'm going to actually go in with, because I want it a little bit darker, with Cypress Umber instead of this color, so you can see the difference in between both of those. So I'm going to go in with that with the same brush that I used before by Japanesque, and I'm just going to make it a little bit deeper because I wanted, you know, more of an intense look on this. Okay, perfect. And then I'm just gonna drag it under. Perfect. I just wanted to intensify that a little tiny bit more. So that's exactly what I was looking for. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and can kind of recreate this on your own for Thanksgiving. And like I said, I hope everybody is staying safe and will have a good Thanksgiving and can be with their family, whether it's on FaceTime or even if you just have a couple people that get together. I hope you guys like this look. I'll show you quick one more time and zoom in a little bit so you can see what it looks like. So I hope it was helpful to you and you got some tips from it and you enjoyed watching it. Remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you can see when my videos are uploaded. I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving and enjoy the day and just feel thankful for all your friends and family that you have in your life. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.